Transform your home into a festive wonderland this holiday season with stunning wall decorations that bring joy and celebration. Imagine wreaths made of natural materials or artificial ones filled with peacock feathers, berries, or pine cones, hanging at varying heights to add depth and interest. Framed artwork featuring Christmas trees, snowflakes, or holiday quotes can range from elegant designs to playful illustrations, catering to different aesthetic preferences. Drape string lights around windows or along the top of your walls to create a magical ambiance that serves as a perfect backdrop for your holiday gatherings. For understated elegance, consider fabric wall hangings with subtle Christmas patterns that can be easily switched out as the season changes. Online marketplaces feature independent sellers offering handmade and unique wall decorations that will truly stand out in your home. Craft stores offer supplies for DIY wall decorations, allowing you to create personalized pieces that reflect your taste and style. By exploring different creative concepts and sourcing decorations from various outlets, you can effectively transform your walls into a festive celebration of the season. Let your imagination guide you on this joyful decorating journey and embrace the spirit of Christmas with beautiful wall decorations.